Hello everyone. In this tutorial you'll learn how to add your CSS file to your HTML document. So first I will create my HTML document, index.html, and here I will generate a basic template. Now I will create my CSS file. I'll name it style.css, and now I'll go back to my index.html file, add a new line to my head tags, and then type the following. First I'll start out by writing an angle bracket, and then I'll write link, then I'll write rel, which means relation. This basically tells the HTML document that this link is a style sheet. So I'll put equal sign, put two double quotes, and then write style sheet. Now I will write href, and this is where I will add my style.css file. So first I'll put equal sign and then put two double quotes, and then I will click on this style.css, which is popping up for me. Once I do that, I'll close this line with another angle bracket, and if for some reason it did not pop up for you like it did for me, you can just write dot and you can just write a slash, and then it should pop up, and then there it is. This is how you can add your CSS file to your HTML document. So now in order to test this, I will go in my CSS file and then change the color of the background. So I'll write body and then background color, and for this example I'll just set it to black. Now once I'm done, it should be black, so I'll right click and open it in my browser, and there it is. The background is black because I have correctly connected the CSS. Now if I just remove this and then tried it out, it should be white because the default color when you open a HTML file is white, and that means it basically worked. The way we did was correct. Thank you for watching, everyone.